I hope all of you can see the board. Board is not visible. Okay. So in this session, I'll be discussing some standard problems from dot product, cross product and introduction to vectors, so that you don't face any problem when you are solving sums from your textbooks and then from other books. Let me start with the easiest one, unit vector in the direction of the sum of the two vectors. This is a simple problem. I think just to remember the definition of unit vector and then proceed. Sum of two vectors are equal to A plus B. Okay. So this is nothing but 2i 2j 5k plus 2i plus j plus 5k. So 2i plus 2j minus 5k. Copy it down. So this will be 4i plus 3j are equal to this thing. So required unit vector will be r cap, which is given by r by mod r. This is 4i plus 3j by root over so 1/5, wait a minute, 2i 4i 5k get cancelled, yes, so 1/5 4i plus 3j is the answer. Okay. Direction ratio and direction cosines I told you yesterday. Second sum is based on that. For this problem, the arcs of the vector are 1, 1, minus 2. So direction cosines are what? 1 by, this is something like A, B, C, you remember? Direction cosines L equal to cos alpha, A by root over sigma square, cos beta, and N equal to cos gamma. So we get here number that first one, L equal to 114 root 6, m 1 by root 6. It's alright. Hope you have understood direction ratios and hence calculate direction cosines. Okay. Go through the next problem. Document already shared with you. Using vectors so that these points are vertices of right angle triangle. It's a simple problem. You will be finding three sides of triangle. We don't know why it is right angle, so better we find these three vectors first. AB, you know, position vector of B minus position vector of A, I minus 3j minus 5k, 2i minus I minus 2j BC equal to position vector of C minus B, 2I minus J plus K and CA. This is 2I minus 3I plus 3J 5K, isn't it? Now, one by one, let us calculate the dot product. AB dot BC minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 not equal to 0, so AB not perpendicular to BC. AB dot CA minus 2 minus 3 5 0, so AB dot CA 0. This means AB is perpendicular to CA. This diagram is imperfect. This will be right angled at where? A. Okay? You take any direction, no problem. AB and CA perpendicular means CA is produced, opposite direction only. So AB perpendicular to CA. Clear?
Yes.
Go for next one, so that these vectors are collinear. I told you parallelism and collinear there is no difference. 4I plus 6J minus 8K, you can write 2 into, no, there is a problem here. Just a minute, let me correct it. It will be minus 4I, please correct it. Take this one minus 4I, then it's alright. This will be 2 into minus 2 into 2I you are writing minus 4I plus 6J minus 8K. You take minus 2H common, 2I minus 3J plus 4K. So this vector is scalar multiple R2 is scalar multiple of R1. Minus 2 into R1. So this implies R1 and R2 are collinear. Okay? Try next one, direction cosines of the vector joining this and this. You find the vector AB. It is position vector of B position vector of B is what? Minus minus 2I minus 4J 4K. So DRs are what? Minus 2 minus 4 4. This is our 4 16 16. You can do it easily. 36, so it will be minus 2 by 6 and minus 4 by 6. Okay. No, it will be minus 1/3, isn't it? Minus 2/3. Go for next one. Position vector of a point which divides the line joining P and Q in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so this part 2, this part is 1. Direct formula application. Position vector given, this is 2i 4k so position vector of R part 1 for internal division plus 1 into that divided by 2 plus 1. 10i 9j. Simple. And for external, what you will do? Position vector of R 2 into 4i minus 1 into 2i that divided by 2 minus 1. So this is nothing but 6i 11j minus 20k. This angle theta all of you can find very first. Cos theta equal to what? Suppose this is R1 and this is R2. The formula is R1 dot R2 by mod R1 mod R2. So dot product will be 4 2 minus 25 by mod R1 4 1 25 mod of this. So 19 by so theta will be what? Cos inverse 19 by under root 990. Keep it this form. No need to change anything. Okay? Understood? This is a direct formula based sum. Projection of the vector A on B you go through last class note. Then answer is what? Required length of projection is A dot B by mod B. You all remember? If you take dot product of these two, 2 plus 6 plus 2, that divided by mod B is 141 10 by root 6. Okay? And never take it negative. Even dot product coming negative, you put a mod sign over there always. Okay? Understood? This one also direct, just evaluate dot product by distributive property x dot x mod x square x dot minus a A dot X, A dot A is what? Mod square.
1.
A is the unit vector, obviously 1, and these two get cancelled because dot product commutative. So this implies mod X square 8 plus 1 9. So mod X will be 3. Clear?
Yes.
This is very simple. Prove that mod A plus B less than or equal to mod A plus mod B. It's a textbook type of question. You take vector A this way, B this way, then this is going to be A plus. As AC less than or equal to sum of two sides always greater than the third side, not even equal to. We don't put equal to. We are putting equal to if they collinear in that sense. No. So AC is what? Mod A plus B. AB is what? Mod A. In triangle ABC, this is always true. It's a class 7 question then. No? We have proved by vector method. This sum I have already done. I am not going to do it. Okay? This one. Projection of vector on this vector. Okay? Everyone can do it. This part you have understood. AC replaced by mod A plus B. Next one. If A, B, C given and A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C. Let us find A plus lambda B first. 2i 2j plus lambda into 2j plus k. So 2 minus lambda I, 2 plus 2 lambda j, alright. Now A plus lambda B perpendicular to C, this implies no k is there, so this is enough. So lambda I got 5. Hope you have understood. Okay. Using vectors so that they are collinear. Not a difficult sum. You just find AB, B position vector of B minus A, that is I, 4j, and then you find AC, 2i, 8j, 8k. Two into AB, isn't it? If you take 2i's common, what you are getting? I, 4j, 4k, isn't it? So this implies that yes.
So in the previous sum, lambda is coming out to be 8.
Oh yes. Lambda is coming to be 8. 2 plus 6, right? So here AC equal to twice AB. This implies that ABC collinear. You understand? Go for the next problem, but you can do it yourself. I'm not going to do this. This also you can do. Let us do number 16. Unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector. You know, R1 cross R2, yesterday in last class I have explained, this is a vector perpendicular to the plane of R1 and R2, isn't it? This is the concept. Let us find R1 here. For this problem, R1 is A plus B. What is it? 4i minus 2j minus k. And R2, A minus B. Alright? Therefore, okay, this is the vector, and then we'll find its unit vector. Let us simplify it. You know how to find it by using determinant evaluation. Minus 6 minus 4, 12 minus 2, k minus 4. It's alright. Therefore, required unit vector is in cap R1 cross R2 by, alright? So just find it. Hundred, 400. So it is 10 root 6. So required answer I, J, 2k. Isn't it? Check my calculation once. If it is wrong, you must report me. You must help me. It's correct? Go for next one. Find the area of triangle whose vertices given here. There is a concept here, because last class we haven't done this concept. Last session I told you area of parallelogram, isn't it? Here there is a triangle. A, B and C. Okay. This triangle's three vertices are given. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Isn't it? But this triangle is half the area of this parallelogram. You must agree. Completing a parallelogram here. So class 9 concept. This is parallel to this one parallel to this one. Then parallelogram completed, take this one as C dashed. So obviously, what is obvious here? Area of ACB is half the area of ACBC dashed. You agree or not? If you agree, then I proceed. So this area ACBC dashed we can find easily. How can I find? That area of ACBC dashed can be written various ways. It is CA cross CB. You agree? CA cross CB. If you say that no, AC cross AC dash, no problem, same thing. I have started here. If you say that it is BC cross BA, no problem. So find CA and CB. CA vector is position vector of this minus this. Minus I minus J. CB minus I minus J 2K. Isn't it? CB is what? Position vector of B minus C. CA will be, let me check, minus I minus 2J, sorry, right. So CA cross CB, let us find. CA cross CB will be IJK. Can you read it? It's okay. Minus 1, CA we have to write first. Minus 1, minus 2, 0. And this one, so this will be I cap. Okay. All right. Check once when it is done correctly or not. Let me check. Minus J into, yes, minus 2 minus 0, right. So there it will be 2J. So required area equal to half. This is half into mod of this thing. It's okay? So half into root 18. Root 21. J is 2. J, no? So it will be 4. So this is root 21. It's okay? Clear? Go for next one. Next one need not do because similar problem will not solve similar problem. Parallelogram area we have done last class only. Just solve one MCQ here. 19. mod h c mod b root 2 by c a cross b unit vector. Then angle between a and b.
Pi by 4.
Let me check. Mod a cross b AB sin theta only. This is a unit vector. So 1 equal to mod A. So sin theta 1 by root 2. So theta equal to pi by 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Go for 20. It's a very good sum. A, B, C are three vectors such that mod A, mod B, mod C given. Each one of them being perpendicular to the sum of the other two. Find A plus B plus C. So this document link I will be sharing with you together with this session. Whenever you need to revise, you can go through difficult sums from there if required. Okay? A, B and C given, each of them being perpendicular to the sum of other two. A dot B plus C 0. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
And dot product is obeying distributive law. These are zero vectors. Be careful. These are not simple zeros. Zero vectors. So if you add all these,
5.
A dot B, A dot C, C dot A is coming. Commutative. So two times. And B dot C, C dot B. Commutative. So all are coming twice. This implies A dot B. Now start with the square of this thing. But when you are answering board question paper, no, we check your steps over there. You don't simply write this is A square, B square, C square, 2AB, 2BC, 2C. It's wrong completely. You won't get the marks for that step. So what you have to do there, this property you have studied, A dot A is mod A square, you know. So you write A plus, at least for board exam, do this. Interns, you do everything mentally. No problem. No one will see. But for board, you have to go by specific steps. So this you simplify. If required, write once in details by distributive property. So dot product commutative and A dot A, B dot B, C dot C similar, like mod A square, mod B square plus 2 into those repeated things coming. This one, this one, this one and this one. That's same. So A dot B, B dot C, C dot A. Okay? This part 0. So this is, remaining part is mod A square, mod B square, mod C square. Therefore, isn't it? Done? You try this one on your own. Till 20th I have showed you. You show me how to do number 21. Not a difficult one. You try once.
Sir, it is minus 29 by 2.
I think so. Just you cannot increase more. Okay. Yes, correct.
Show the question.
This one. So you again start with the square of this thing. Just use the experience you have from the previous sum. I showed you this is mod square. For MCQ now you can remember this. But in board exam you have to show these steps the way I did previous sum. Okay? Now a plus b plus c 0. So 0 equal to 3 square, 4 square, 2 square, 2 mu, 9, 16, 4. So mu is minus 29 by 2. Okay? Go for next one. This is a very important sum for board. This sum, previous one, and this one. If alpha beta given, express beta is beta 1 plus beta 2. Beta 1 parallel to alpha, beta 2 perpendicular to alpha. Okay? Answer you don't need. Beta 1 parallel to alpha. Given for parallel vector, what can you write? One is scalar multiple of the other. M into 3i minus j. Now since beta is You can write beta 2 from here, isn't it? Beta 2 will be what? Just change the side. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Now put this thing, this condition, this thing is perpendicular to alpha. Since beta 2 so beta 2 dot alpha equal to 0, take dot product with alpha, dot alpha, isn't it? So I got m equal to 1 by 2. Clear? So required vector is what? You need to find beta 1 or beta 2. Both. So beta 1 is what? Answer I got here. Let us write half into 3i minus j. And beta 2 minus half I it's alright? Understood?
Yes.
Go for next one. You do the second part. How to prove collinear? This I have explained. Now the problem is find the ratio in which B divides AC. Do one sum on your own, not a difficult one.
So in beta 2 we will have plus half minus 3 by 2
Let me check. Yes, it will be plus half 2 minus 3 by 2.
and minus 3 by 2.
And no, 3 by 2 plus
3 by 2.
minus 3. It's correct. Now let me do first part. I think you have done. Actually, two themes will come together, collinearity and ratio. Okay? So, B divides, no? B may be inside or outside. So, start this manner. In the ratio, lambda is to 1. Okay? So, assuming B lies inside, if it is not inside, lambda will be negative. Isn't it? Okay? C is 1137. Sorry. 1137. So, this will not do by class 11 method. So, we'll write this vector, this position vector equal to lambda into this position vector this plus I. Am I correct? Lambda is to 1, I have assumed. Now, what we can do, we can compare two sides. And this will be 7 lambda minus 8 into k. Wait, we'll do this. Problem is there. This divided by lambda plus 1. Alright? So now if we compare comparing 5 so 6 lambda equal to 4. Lambda is 2 is to 3. But this is not your answer. Division may not be possible. If others not satisfying it, then it is not possible. 3 lambda minus 2 by lambda plus 1 is 0, and you are comparing all these things together. With this value of lambda, you need to check whether all satisfied or not. This is satisfied. This one, put lambda 2 by 3. LHS. So minus 10 by 5 is not coming, no? Check once. 7 lambda minus 8 by lambda plus 1. 7 into 2 by 3, 14 by 3 minus 8. Oh yes, by 5. 2 plus 3, 5. It's coming minus 2, no?
Yes.
Okay. Done. So now you can say that ratio 2 is to 3. Okay? If these are also satisfied, otherwise no. go for next one.
So this is only for internal division.
This is internal because the ratio you got positive, isn't it? Another very good sum, very important for board exam. Came in JEE main also, but long back. A, B, C given. Find D perpendicular to both A and B, and C dot D equal to 15. Concept is there. And you must ensure that you are using the easiest and the shortest method. Okay? Don't go by dot product or thing. You have to use dot product, but later. So what you will do there, you use this thing. D perpendicular to both A and B. So let D equal to M into A cross B. Agree or not? Because A cross B perpendicular to A and B. D in that direction. So this is M into I J K. 1, 4, 2, 3 minus 2, 7. 28 plus 4, 32. This will be 7 minus 6, 1. Minus 2 minus 12. Wait, keep M outside. M is common to all, no? M into this thing. So M into (32I J 14K). Isn't it? Now put this thing. C dot D equal to 15. Now you apply. Okay? C vector is there. C dot D. So this implies 15 by 9, 5 by 3. Clear? So D vector is what? Writing answer here. D vector equal to M into this thing. According to me, this is the shortest one and easiest one. If you say that no, I will assume that D equal to xi, yj, zk, then it will be very long. You can do that way also. But this is the simplest one. I hope you have understood.
Yes.
Go for next one. Read the next sum. Wait a minute. Try. If A and B are two vectors such that A this and B this, find the vector C given that you can go for comparison after assuming the vector C, isn't it? Let and this is B. So go for comparison if it helps. 2I so Z plus Y minus 2, Z minus X minus 1, no, Z minus X will be plus 1, and X plus Y is minus 3, isn't it?
Yes.
Check whether you can solve or not. There is a problem of solving, that's why I am waiting for your response. In the language of determinant, we will get infinitely many solutions. Why? Because third equation is made of 1 and 2. Okay? So what to do? That's why this condition is given over there. We need another one. But how to decide from here? If you do 1 minus, quickly you have to decide something. 1 minus 2 implies x plus y minus 3. Okay? So, and even in your syllabus, adjoint A into B equal to 0, go by that method, matrix method, you can find infinitely many solutions. So for that, what to do? Let Z equal to Z only, or K. Okay? Then X will be what? K minus 1. Y will be what? Minus 2 minus K. Isn't it?
Yes.
And now you can expect the answer by using this thing. A dot C equal to 4. Apply A dot C. Just doing it here. A dot C. A is this thing. And C we got here. I C is what? Tell. C vector is what? Xi, Yj, Zk. X is what? K minus 1 I. Oh my god, I got KK. KK I am getting here. Okay, that is unit vector and this is K. Different, huh? Just put dot product here and get the value of K from there. K minus 1I K plus 2J KK. So this is K minus 1 K plus 2 plus K. 3K minus 1. I am getting 3K plus 1, sorry. But 3K plus 1 is 4. So K is 1. So Z is what? Now you got the vector. K equal to 1 you put here. This will be minus 3J plus K. Isn't it? Hope you have understood and enjoyed the session. Doing it yourselves, most of the sums, and finding my mistake. See you again. Okay?